Okay, so we're in line for the Pantheon. The admission is free, but I would say the line to get in is probably 300 people or so. But it's moving quick enough, so we'll see how long it takes us to get in. But it's pretty crowded, so we'll see.
Okay, so the line wasn't too bad. It was only like 10 minutes and it went by pretty quickly. So we're about to go inside.
Yeah, so we waited only about 10 minutes, even though it was like 400 people, 500 people.
Yeah,
and about half the people cut in line, I would say, including the people in front of us and behind us.
Yeah.
So, but that's Italy, you know, that's the way it goes.
So this temple is known for being dedicated to all of the gods out there, because if you look at the word Pantheon, pan means all, and theo or theological whatever means God. So dedicated to all the gods, as in the Roman gods. But the only reason that this isn't ruins right now, like the other stuff that we've seen, is because it was turned into a Christian thing. So they have paintings of like, you know, famous painters, Italian, whatever, and yeah, with biblical scenes and things like that.
Okay, so if you notice at the very top, it's open. So when it actually rains, water comes in, and there's actually some drainage holes down by the floor that, you know, funnel all the water outside of the Pantheon.
So in this little spot we have three big paintings over here from different periods throughout history, but they have similar meanings. And the middle one is called the Annuncio to Maria, meaning like the archangel or some angel, something, comes down and tells Maria that she's gonna have a baby. It's like the Annuncio, like the Annunciazione.
This one here in the middle. So this is one of the main reasons why the Pantheon was never torn down or looted or robbed or destroyed, is because it was turned.
Yeah, because it was turned into a Christian thing.
So here we have a area dedicated to Vittorio Emanuele, the father of the Patriots, looks like. So he was the first main leader of a unified Italy. So you can see the eagle. A lot of times you'll see that with SPQR. So I hope you liked our video on the Pantheon in Rome, Italy. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Ciao!